boiled broccoli with salt. It's like that on just boiled only for the healthy food. Only boiled with salt water. And just like that. This one is breast, buttered chicken with garlic and pepper sauce. And then I put honey with the brush later. This one, ma'am. Thank you. Like some quality and special.